12 strange things that can only happen in India. Number 1. A specific head gesture for agreeing and hand movement while talking. Instead of nodding up and down like we are used to, Indians bow their heads from side to side in agreement. This gesture is so unique to the culture so that it's even known as Indian head shake. Depending on the context, it's something between okay and I understand. It can also be a substitute for thank you. In any case, it's always informative. Indians always move their hands while talking. Number 2. Home to the biggest family in the world. The world's biggest family lives in India's Bakchwang village. Giona Chana has 39 wives, 94 kids and over 40 grandchildren, and his family just keeps growing. They all live together in a 100-room house. A regular family dinner for them has 30 chickens, 132 pounds of potatoes and 220 pounds of rice. The 72-year-old head of the family explains that all his wives asked him to marry them and he just couldn't say no, and his plans to keep expanding the family. That's what I call as an extended family. Number 3. An innovative way to use soda. Indian farmers use Coca-Cola and Pepsi instead of expensive pesticides to protect their crops. The manufacturer of these beverages deny the fact, of course, but actually scientists confirm that carbohydrates and sugar actually improves plants' immunity to pests. Number 4. Spices galore. 75% of all spices on the world market are produced in India, making world's leader in spice production. It exports 180 kinds of spices over 160 countries. Spices are so powerful here that one of them is used as a non-toxic weapon. The military consider bud jolokia and ghost pepper great for making tear gas like hand grenades. Now that's spicy. Number 5. Pre-wedding detectives. To make sure that children will be happy ever after marriage, some Indian families hire private detectives to investigate prospective bride or groom, their financial situation, bad habits like drinking, smoking, previous relationships and personality. The main thing detectives are hired to check out. Number 6. Skyscraper home. Business tycoon Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in the country, and his Mumbai's residence is the most expensive house in the world, worth around $2 billion. The 27-story skyscraper called Antila is occupied by the Ambani family and their 600-person staff who take care of the property around the clock. There is a 50-seat home theater, parking, a lot of 160 cars, a spa, a gym, 3 helipads and much more extra luxuries. Number 7. The land of great inventions. India is the homeland of chess. The indigenous name of this game is Chaturanga, meaning 4 divisions of an army, namely elephants, chariots, cavalry and infantry. Not only chess, but we can also thank the super brains for cataract surgery, wireless communication, fiber optics, meteorology, cotton cultivation and everyday items such as buttons, rulers, weight scales, flush toilet, shampoo. Number 8. The world's major religions. Although 80% of Indians practice Hinduism, this country includes all the world's major religions and much more, like followers of Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Judaism, Buddhism, Jainism and indigenous faiths all at one place. Now that's impressive. Number 9. Policemen are paid for having mustaches. Indian police officers get a bonus if they have a mustache. Apparently the idea is that mustache make men more manliness. It's an essential feature of Indian folk look. Difference in pay rate is actually 30 rupees, which is about 50 cents. But hey, that adds up over time. Number 10. No locks, no worries. Shani Signapur is a temple town in Maharashtra where residents have no doors or locks. They believe their property is under the protection of Lord Shani. So any thief will be punished by turning blind, and anyone who is dishonest will get 7 years of bad luck. Even the bank doesn't have a regular lock on it. Instead, it has a glass panel with a remote control and the electromagnetic lock, almost impossible to see. Number 11. Gold-clad housewives. Indian housewives own 11% of world's gold. That's more than the combined stocks of US, Switzerland, Germany, the International Monetary Fund. That means they actually have over 1800 tons of gold worth more than $950 billion. The second largest English speaking country in the world. When we think of English speaking countries, do you immediately think of the USA, the UK, Canada and Australia? Well, next time don't forget about India. It's the second only to the US. India has 125 million English speakers. Oh, and that's only 10% of their population.